In the heart of a lush, vibrant forest, a symphony of life hums with the melodies of its denizens. But a disruption was on the horizon, a ripple set to disturb the tranquility of this verdant haven. A curious parrot, renowned for its ability to mimic any sound, stumbled upon a peculiar artifact on the forest floor. A smartphone abandoned by an errant hiker. This functioning device swiftly became the object of the bird's fascination. The parrot, initially drawn to its own reflection on the screen, soon found itself entranced by the cacophony of sounds emerging from the device. News alerts, messages, snippets of conversations, and online videos all became fodder for the parrot's mimicry. In no time, the bird was not just echoing these sounds, but weaving them into narratives, oblivious to the context or veracity of the information it relayed. As these tales fluttered from branch to branch, the forest's atmosphere began to shift. Stories of distant disasters, embellished accounts, and outright falsehoods, all sown by the smartphone's content, bred confusion and fear among the creatures. Trust dwindled as the once peaceful community found itself caught in a gnarled web of misinformation. In the midst of this growing chaos, a figure of wisdom and serenity emerged, an age-old owl respected for its insight. Recognizing the source of the turmoil, the owl took decisive action. On a moonlit night, it summoned the animals for a gathering. With the community in attendance, the owl addressed the parrot, imparting a lesson on the significance of truth and the responsibility inherent in communication. It explained how unchecked information could wreak havoc, like a wildfire fueled by lies, tearing through the fabric of their society. It underscored the importance of seeking truth, verifying stories before spreading them, and the courage required to admit one's mistakes. The parrot, hit by a wave of realization, felt a deep sense of regret. It had intended to entertain and inform, but instead, it had bred discord. The bird pledged before the entire forest to use its mimicry not for deception or unverified tales, but to spread messages of truth, unity, and understanding. In the ensuing weeks, the parrot became a beacon of truth for the forest. It relayed stories of cooperation and kindness, verified facts beneficial to the animals, and rectified the misinformation it had previously disseminated. The smartphone, the initial source of misinformation, was now simply a learning tool for the parrot, under the watchful eyes of the owl and other knowledgeable creatures. The transformation was tangible. The animals, once riven by rumors and fear, began to unite, restoring their trust. They learned to question information, to seek the truth, and to communicate more honestly with each other. The parrot and the smartphone became a forest legend, a story handed down to remind future generations of the potency of words and the value of integrity. It stood as a testament that even in an age of misinformation, truth, guided by wisdom and honesty, has the power to unite and heal.